In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in or zoom out a video using Clipchamp, step by step. Whether you want to manually zoom into a clip, adjust the framing, or add a smooth, slow zoom effect for a more professional look, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. This is perfect for beginners and creators who want to make their videos more engaging without complicated software. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy video editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and start a new project, or open an existing one where your video clip is already added to the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see an outline around the clip and options appear in the preview and toolbar. Let's start with manual zooming using the crop and fill options. With your video clip selected on the timeline, look at the floating toolbar that appears near the preview window. Here, you'll see options like Fit and Fill. If you click on Fill, Clipchamp will automatically zoom into your video so it fills the entire frame. This is useful if your video has black bars or doesn't match the project's aspect ratio. If you want to zoom back out and show the entire video again, click on Fit. This will scale the video so the full image is visible inside the frame. You can also manually control the zoom by resizing the video directly in the preview window. With the clip still selected, click on the video preview. You'll see handles or corners appear around the video. Click and drag these corners inward to zoom in, or drag them outward to zoom out. You can also reposition the video by clicking and dragging it within the frame, which is helpful if you want to focus on a specific area, like a face or an object. Take your time here to get the framing exactly how you want it. Now let's move on to adding a smooth, slow zoom effect, which is great for tutorials, talking head videos, and cinematic edits. To do this, make sure your video clip is selected in the timeline. Then go to the right-hand panel and click on the Effects tab. In the list of available effects, find and select Slow Zoom. Once applied, you'll see additional controls for this effect. Use the speed slider to control how fast the zoom happens. Sliding it to the left will make the zoom slower and more subtle, while sliding it to the right will make the zoom faster and more noticeable. Next, use the position grid to choose which part of the video the zoom focuses on. For example, you can select the center, top left, top right, or any other area depending on what you want to highlight in your video. If you want to create a zoom out effect instead of a zoom in, simply check the reverse option. This will start the clip zoomed in and gradually zoom out over time. Play back your video in the preview to see how the effect looks, and adjust the settings until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You now know how to manually zoom in or out using Fit and Fill, resize your video directly in the preview, and add a smooth, slow zoom effect in Clipchamp. These simple tools can make a huge difference in how professional and engaging your videos look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tutorials and video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.